Yes, people. Yes, people. What are we going to talk about today? Here's what we're going to talk about. Just kidding. It's not this. It's not this. What do we got, folks? Dragon the Queen. It's an unboxing day today, folks. Look at what we have here. Look at what we got here. Must be adequate because it was manufactured in, oh yeah, you guessed it, China. Yeah, that's right, folks. We did something crazy. We did something dumb. I know everyone's been asking about it. Just try it out, they said. Just do it. So here is the question of the day, folks. Here's the question. Can you buy these fake ones for less than $200 and they work? Well, we'll see. So let's bust into it. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we do here. Bring out the tool of adequate equipment. One of these for your neighbors. Let's get this crack-a-lackin'. Straight out of the case, folks. Straight out of the case. You can definitely see some build quality concerns. Like I don't know how close you can get in. Right in here, there's like this is like it's got like some rubbing on there. Maybe some finish issues. This right here, look how terrible that is. Kind of a chunky, really chunky neck. Super chunky. I don't know. Should we unveil the real problem? You guys? This is who makes it. Look who makes it. Yang Guitars, but watch this. They couldn't tell you that. Got it. Look at the phony baloney. Hey guys, don't worry about it. All fear set aside. It was made in the USA. No, it was not. This is going to be crazy interesting to play with. I have no idea what to say about this other than we're definitely going to do a video on it. We got to get it tuned up and play the jams. Perfect. No. We'll get her tuned up. We'll play it and see what we get.